Want to know how to make an AI agent generate questions for you? Well, no worries. So if you have a specific topic that you want to generate questions on, and if you want to get help with it, AgentGPT is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make AgentGPT or create an agent that easily asks you questions of a certain topic. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it, and it's on our channel. So once everything is done, here you should be on your home page, and now you can just simply name your agent. So just simply name it again. And under the goal, you need to write a specific prompt, so just simply type in this. Now just simply specify your topic and then select enter, and once that is done, it will start running the code and your agent should start being built. And once that is done, as you can see right here, your agent is being built, and after a while it should be there. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.